Welcome to the TDA-GO Quarterly Report Instruction Webinar. Step 1 will be to log into TDA-GO and enter your username and password. This will take you to the dashboard, where the My Task tool will show you tasks waiting to be completed. Under My Task, scroll through the line item until you find the performance report under the grant you're looking for, and then click on your grant project ID in blue. If there is not a report listed, you should be able to click on Initiate Related Document. After clicking the project ID link on the performance report task line, you will be directed to the performance report document landing page. Using the navigation bar on the left, click on the Quarterly Performance and Budget Report. Now we will show you a demo. In step 4, begin entering your report data. Complete the required section, such as project manager contact information, reporting period, and the quarterly budget report. In this step, please complete the performance narrative section by giving a brief summary of your project. Note that there may be character limits in each section. In the next step, additional supporting document is encouraged and may be uploaded using the supplemental upload tool at the bottom of the report. The supplemental upload tool will show that the files were uploaded successfully. You can remove a file that was uploaded in error by clicking the X on the right of the uploaded document. If you need to save a partially completed report prior to submitting it, click Save towards the top right of the screen. If any required fields are missing data, you will receive an alert prompting you to complete those fields. Once you have completed all required areas, use the navigation bar on the left and click Submit Performance Report. You're not done just yet. In step 10, you will be prompted to confirm submission and add any additional comments if needed. Once you click OK, your quarterly performance and budget report will be submitted. Thank you for joining our webinar. Here you will find our contact and resource information for any questions that you may have.